Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Let us learn our daily routines today. These are the things we do every day from morning to night. Are you ready, kids?
Yes, Mom. Let's go. Yay!
Amazing. Now, can you guess what is this one?
This is wake up.
Yay!
Open your eyes and stretch. A new day is starting here.
Amazing. Now, can you guess what is the next activity?
This is brush teeth.
Yay!
We use a toothbrush and toothpaste to keep our teeth clean and shiny.
Very good. Now let's go to the next activity.
Wash face.
Yay!
Splash water on your face to feel fresh and awake.
Amazing. Now, can you guess the next activity?
This is a take a bath.
Yay!
We wash our body with soap and water to stay clean.
Very good. And make sure you never miss this one. Now, next one.
This is get dressed.
Yay!
We put on our clothes for the day, shirts, pant, dress or our uniform.
Amazing. And then what is the next activity? I guess this is your favorite.
This is eat breakfast.
Yay!
Breakfast gives us energy for school and play.
Yes, and never miss breakfast. Next one.
This is comb hair.
Yay!
We brush our hair so it looks neat and tidy.
Amazing. And where do you go after getting ready?
This is go to school.
Yay!
We take our bag and water bottle and go to learn and meet friends.
Very good. Now what is the next activity?
This is study time.
Yay!
We listen to the teacher, read, write and learn new things.
Amazing. And what is the next activity?
This is playtime.
Yay!
We run, jump and play games with friends. Playing keeps our body strong.
Very good. And what is the next activity?
This is eat lunch.
Yay!
We eat our tiffin or lunch to feel full and happy.
Amazing. And then what is the next one? Can you guess this one?
This is come home.
Yay!
After school, we return home, take off our shoes and rest.
Amazing. And what do you do after coming to home?
This is do homework.
Yay!
We finish our schoolwork, draw or practice letters and numbers.
And also watch Mom and Me Fun Factory. And what is the next one?
Help at this is help at home.
Yay!
We can put toys away, fold small clothes, or keep or help set the table.
Very good. And you regularly help at home. That's really nice. Now what's the next one?
This is eat dinner. We sit with our family, talk about the day and enjoy our food.
Yay!
Amazing. And what's the next one? There are a lot of activities in a day.
Brush teeth at night. We clean our teeth again before sleep so they stay strong.
Yay!
Amazing. Now what's the next one?
This is put on pajamas. We change into soft, comfy clothes.
Yay!
Amazing. And what's the next thing?
This is story time.
Yay!
We read a book or listen to bedtime story with mom or dad.
And you can listen a bedtime story with us on Mom and Me Fun Factory too. And what is the next activity?
This is say good night.
Yay!
We hug our family and say good night. See you in the morning.
And the last activity for the day.
Go to sleep.
Yay!
We close our eyes, rest our body and dream sweet dreams.
Great job, little stars. Now you know the daily routine from wake up to sleep. Thanks for learning with us.
And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning with Mom and Me Fun Factory. Bye bye friends.
Bye bye.